The official drink of Puerto Rico was invented by a bartender who spent 3 months perfecting the formula and then served it in a pineapple. National Pina Colada Day is July 10. Ramon Monchito Marrero was a bartender at the Caribe Hilton in San Juan, Puerto Rico. In 1954, the hotel asked him to create a signature drink that tasted like the island. He worked the formula for 3 months before landing on white rum, coconut cream, and fresh pineapple juice. The name means strained pineapple in Spanish. Puerto Rico officially declared it the national drink in 1978. A competing claim comes from Ramon Portas Mingot at the Barrachina restaurant, also in San Juan, also in the 1950s. Puerto Ricans have never fully settled it, blended or on the rocks. Blended is correct. Fresh pineapple if you can get it, Coco Lopez for the coconut cream. The Caribe Hilton published the original recipe. Start there. Tag the person you'd make one for today and settle the frozen versus rocks debate in the comments.